Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pay Dubai traffic fine with installment. So for this, what you have to do first, go to their official website dubaipolice.gov.au. Then after go to this website, you will see a bunch of options here. From here, select traffic services. Now, in this section, you will see several options. Find here traffic fines installment. Select inquire, and then now from here just scroll down, and you can you will see direct debit installment or credit card installment. Select your preferred option, then it will be redirected to another page. Now from here, what you have to do first, what is your transaction number, then select what type of accent did you have, then select search and follow the prompts to pay the installment, and that's how you can pay Dubai traffic fine in installment.